Did you know that Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is considered one of the most promising places in the solar system for the potential to host life? Unlike any other moon, Titan has a dense atmosphere, primarily composed of nitrogen with traces of methane, creating an Earth-like, albeit much colder weather system that includes rain, rivers, lakes and seas, though of liquid methane and ethane instead of water. The Cassini-Huygens mission revealed vast hydrocarbon seas and dunes, suggesting complex organic chemistry and potential subsurface water oceans, warmed by tidal forces. These conditions could offer a habitat for life, as we don't yet understand it, based on chemistry different from the water-based life on Earth, sparking significant interest in further exploration to uncover the moon's secrets. Did you know that the speed of light is not just fast, but mind-bogglingly fast at 299,792 kilometers per second, or about 186,000 miles per second? This speed is so constant that it's used as a fundamental unit in the science of metrology. Nothing in the universe can travel faster than light in a vacuum. Did you know that the possibility of dinosaurs still being alive today in remote parts of the world, while a popular subject of cryptozoology, is scientifically implausible? Dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago, and no credible evidence has been found to suggest they survived beyond this mass extinction event. While discoveries of prehistoric dinosaur-like creatures such as the coelacanth fish have fueled speculation, these are cases of living fossils, species that have changed little over millions of years, not dinosaurs. The ecosystems of today are vastly different from those of the Mesozoic era, making survival of dinosaurs in modern times highly unlikely. Scientific consensus maintains that birds are the closest living descendants of dinosaurs, having evolved from theropod ancestors. Did you know that the idea dragons were real and possibly dinosaurs stems from the human fascination with mythological creatures and the discovery of dinosaur fossils? Throughout history, many cultures have depicted dragons in their mythology, often inspired by the discovery of large, mysterious bones, which we now understand to be dinosaur fossils. While no scientific evidence supports the existence of mythical dragons as they're popularly depicted, it's plausible that the discovery of these fossils could have inspired dragon myths. Dinosaurs, which roamed the Earth millions of years ago, vary significantly in size and shape, some bearing resemblances to the dragons of folklore. However, dragons as magical creatures breathing fire are purely mythological, with no real counterparts in the prehistoric world. The fascination with dragons likely reflects humanity's attempt to make sense of the natural world through mythology. Did you know that when you look at the stars, you are actually looking back in time? Light from distant stars can take hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years to reach Earth. So, the starlight we see in the night sky is ancient history. Did you know that while Superman's powers captivate our imagination, science both supports and debunks their feasibility? For instance, Superman's super strength could theoretically be explained by the concept of advanced alien physiology or genetic modifications, enhancing muscle density and efficiency beyond human capabilities. However, the ability to fly defies our current understanding of physics, as it would require a form of propulsion or manipulation of gravitational forces not yet explained by science. X-ray vision, similarly, involves emitting radiation which would be harmful to others and is not naturally produced by any known biological organism. Solar energy absorption to fuel powers, while plausible in plants through photosynthesis, doesn't translate to the scale or diversity of Superman's abilities, which include laser vision, indestructibility, and super speed, making them scientifically implausible with our current understanding of biology and physics. Did you know that the mantis shrimp has one of the most complex visual systems known to science? It can see both ultraviolet and polarized light, and it has 12 types of color receptors, whereas humans have only 3. This extraordinary vision helps them detect prey, predators, and mates in the complex underwater environment. Did you know that the Oklo reactor in Gabon, Africa, is the world's only known natural nuclear fission reactor? About 2 billion years ago, conditions were just right for natural nuclear reactions to occur. This phenomenon challenges our understanding of nuclear physics and geological processes. Did you know that water has a higher density as a liquid than as a solid, which is why ice floats on water? This unusual property is due to the hydrogen bonds that form a crystalline structure when water freezes. This anomaly is crucial for aquatic life to survive under ice-covered water bodies during cold seasons. Did you know that the Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years? Since the moon has no atmosphere, there's no wind or water to erode or wash away the footprints. This means they'll remain undisturbed until a meteorite strikes the exact location or human activity alters them. Did you know that the venom of the Brazilian wandering spider can cause priapism, a condition of prolonged and painful erections in humans? While extremely dangerous, researchers are investigating the venom's components for potential use in erectile dysfunction medications. This is a fascinating example of how deadly toxins can have medical applications. Did you know that there's a species of jellyfish known as Turritopsis dohrnii, often referred to as the immortal jellyfish? When faced with physical damage or starvation, it can revert to its polyp stage, effectively starting its life cycle over. This unique ability is currently being studied for insights into cellular aging and regeneration.